Ginger shrimp with Gai Lan. This is recipe number 3 tonight. Manitoba Canola Growers Association and Ellen Pruden, you have been like kind of jumping up and down about this vegetable since you hit
things up, right?
Okay,
okay.
So what is tell us about this vegetable. It looks a little bit like broccoli. There's parts of it anyway. So
well, they refer to it as a Chinese broccoli, and so it's just a nice dark leafy green. It's part of the brassica family. It has this big beautiful stalk. There'll be little white flowers that will bloom on it.
Okay.
But it's just robust. It handles the sauce, and it's a quick way to cook it is a quick blanch because it is quite kind of like a kale-like style, right?
Yeah.
So quick blanch, and then into a pan that has canola oil, garlic, chili flakes. Add in your Gai Lan, maybe a little oyster sauce. Oh my gosh, you're just gonna like
just even on its own.
Just like that.
Okay.
So beautiful. Okay, so stir fry, super
Yes.
quick, super easy, great weeknight meals. We got 2 pans going, but you could do it in 1. We're gonna start off with our canola oil in the pan because it can take the heat here, and we're adding in shrimp. Now, shrimp is just one of those, frozen shrimp that you can keep in your freezer, pull out when you need something quick and easy.
Is this
to
something
make.
like particularly that you would want to use shrimp with? Like, could you substitute other proteins
Yes,
with it, or is
of
this
course. We have so many great Manitoba proteins that would all work in a great stir fry. And on Great Taste, we have a list of amazing Great Tastes or like stir fries.
Shrimp's good.
But shrimp is great, and it's one of the things that you want to look for when you're buying shrimp is a sustainability label that's on it, and so then that's ensured that it comes from it's raised and grown and all those great things, just like all of our Canadian ingredients are. So look for that label. So we just let them sit, and they're just going to turn nice and pink. They're going to be beautiful.
That can't be on for long, though, based on my own personal experiences of.
Now the quick for the stir fry. So we have our oil. You can see it's dancing. So we have a nice hot pan.
Ready
you
to
can
go.
see it's all spread out.
Yep.
So we cut up our Gai Lan, and really with the stir fry, you want to have everything ready to roll.
go. Yeah.
We have our onions, and we have our mushrooms, our beautiful local mushrooms.
Okay.
So we're going to put the mushrooms in.
And those are
You can hear it
shiitake mushrooms?
Yes.
Okay.
So make sure you take the stem off.
Peak of the Market onion, by the way. Thank you, Peak of the Market.
Right. So then that's just all going to quickly get stirred up. So we just want to make sure that everything gets coated nicely.
Oh, like the shrimp just
can you
hit my
are
nostrils.
you seeing
man.
the colors that are going on here?
Yes, honestly.
So it just takes a second. And then because, canola is so light in flavor, like it really helps to have all these flavor transfers that is going to go on. So this is flavoring the oil with that really nice shrimp flavor. And then we have this base that's going on here, which we're going to add in our seasoning. So we don't want to start with our garlic and our minced ginger. You kind of want to add it in once your pan's a little rocking.
And why is that?
It burns really quickly, right? And then you're gonna you work so hard on making this delicious dish, cutting up all your vegetables, get people in the kitchen helping you out.
Yeah.
So the aromas, right? Oh my gosh. And then you need to have a little ginger 5-spice.
This
is
that's ginger and 5-spice, or ginger
just
5-spice?
it's called 5-spice.
5-spice, okay.
Chinese
All right.
5-spice.
Okay,
right, so then that's going to coat everything.
Oh boy, now that just changed everything immediately.
And now we need smell-o-vision, don't we? We need to have this. So I'm going to move my shrimp around.
So, this obviously is very healthy, and that's part of the reason why I know you get super excited about canola oil because it's very, it's got some great nutritional value to it as well.
It really,
right?
It's great. Like it's economical, it's versatile, it's a pantry staple, and then it has this health benefit. So it's your go-to oil for sautéing. We're going to be baking. It's just a really great Canadian product. So it's low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated fat, and it has those omega-3s, which is great for your heart. Okay, the sauce.
Yes.
So, because we need to add in our greens, you're going to mix the cornstarch with the chicken broth.
So just dump this in.
Dump that in together because that's going to be our thickening. This is all the greens. Like talk about a beautiful, healthy salad. If you if you can't find Gai Lan, then broccoli would work, kale, anything like a dark green. You could even use spinach.
Right.
Okay, that goes in.
Okay.
And this will slowly come together. Beautiful. And the sauce will start to thicken as everything gets cooked down, and our greens will soften. So you'll see it. We're going to serve it on noodles at the end. It's going to be delicious.
Okay, there you have it. The ginger shrimp with Gai Lan here on Great Taste of Manitoba. When we come back, more outstanding farmers. The celebration continues tonight. Thanks for joining us. Stay with us.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba. Filmed on location at Supper Central at Kenaston Commons.